Janice Dean is live in our Extreme Weather Center with a look at where this thing is headed. Hey, Janice.
Julie, this is a very powerful storm. This is the visible satellite image, and you can see as the sun comes out, look at this perfect Category 5 storm, 175-mile-per-hour sustained winds. At its peak, Katrina was 175. We haven't seen a storm of this strength in 2007. And the National Hurricane Center saying we're going to have a Category 5 for a very strong Puerto Rico, south of that, in the center.